Hello students, I am Pravesh Kumar from Golden Public School. In this video, I am going to explain the poem The Voice of the Rain. The poem is taken from class 11th English book. This poem is written by Walt Whitman. Dear students, if we talk about the introduction of the poem, we can say the poem The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. The rain explains its eternal journey in its birthplace, that is earth, to the poet. In the other word, we can say in this poem, the poet beautifully explains the water cycle, or we can say the poet describe the water cycle in poetic way. Okay students, to know what the poet have explained in the poem, what the poet want to say in the poem, let us read the poem and the explanation of the poem. Okay students, just here the poem is. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which strange to tell gave me an answer as he translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Dear students, we can see here rain is talking. That means a non living thing is behaving like a living thing. So we can say the poet used personification here. Okay students, just before going to explanation, see the meanings of difficult word. Just the word use who art thou. Who art thou? Art thou. Okay, that means who are you? Art is used for are, thou used for you. These are old fashioned words and not used in modern English. Okay, so art, that is are, thou, that means you. So who are thou, that means who are you. If we talk about eternal, eternal means never ending. Never ending. Okay students, the next word is impalpable. Impalpable means which cannot be described. Which cannot be described. Now see the paraphrasing of the stanza. In the above line, that means the line which we have read. The poet asked the soft falling shower, who are you? And to which the rain replied, really it is strange. Okay, so in a strange to state manner, okay, the rain replied in a strange to state manner. The rain said that it was the poem of the earth and it rise continuously from the land and bottomless sea or the ocean in form of vapor. In form of vapor, as you know students, okay, clouds forms from the vapor which comes from the oceans, from the sea, from the rivers. Okay, so it is described like this by the poet. Okay, let us see the next stanza. Okay, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed, yet the same. I descended to leave the drought, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. Okay, students, it's the important paragraph just here. Once again, old fashioned word is used by the poet. Okay, let us see the meaning of the word first. Whence, that means where, vaguely, that means not clearly, descend, come down, leave, that means was, bath, atomies, that means small particles, latent, hidden, buried. If we talk about the paraphrasing, we can say the rain tells the poet. Okay, just rain is telling, na? That is why the rain tells the poet that it rises upwards toward the sky in the form of vapor, where it changes its from condenses, that means into water droplet. Okay, it also says that although its form get changed, its forms get changed. Okay, how? Now it is in the form of gas, from the liquid form into gaseous form. So the form is changed, it still remains the same because the characteristics of water are same in all the forms. So it is still remains the same. Okay, students, the rain comes down to wash the drought, come down to wash the drought and provide water. It always, yes, it also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds. It gives life to the seeds. Okay, dear students. So we can say in this stanza, the poet is telling us how water convert into gaseous form to make the clouds, to take the form of clouds. Okay, students, let us see the next stanza. And forever, by day and night, that is continuous, I gave back life to my origin. I gave back to life my origin. Which is, what is the origin of the rain? The origin is oceans, the sea. So here the rain is telling us that day and night continuously it gives back life to its origin and make pure and beautify it. Okay, and make the earth pure and beautify it. Okay, for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked, wrecked or unwrecked, dully with her returns. Okay, students, if we talk about the word meaning, it means whether cared, wrecked or unwrecked means it means whether cared for or not cared for. It doesn't affect the rain nor the poet if someone listen to the rain or not. Okay, students, let us see the paraphrasing. The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer that travels to fulfill the earth's needs, the wonders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. Whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. Okay, students, let us see the poetic device used in the poem by the poet. Okay, students, just here personification. Okay, as you know, the poet used a non-living things as a living things in the poem. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. I am, that means rain itself behaving like a human being. So personification is used. This is the example of personification. I am the poem of earth. Metaphor. Okay, an indirect comparison between the qualities of different things, then we can say metaphor is used. In the poem, I am the poem of earth, rain is being compared to poem here. Rain is being compared to a poem. That is why we can say metaphor is used by the poet. Now hyperbole, that means exaggerated statement, just like bottomless sea, that sea having no bottoms, okay, no ending, okay. And imaginary is also used by the poet, just visualize a description of something, okay. Yes, soft falling shower, it is the visualization of the rain, it is the visualization of the rain. So imagery is also used by the poet. So we can say in this poem personification is used, metaphor is used, hyperbole is used, and imagery is used by the poet. Okay students, let us see the summary of the poem. Just if we talk about the summary of the poem, we can say in this poem the poet asks the soft falling shower, who are you? And the rain answer, okay students, the rain answer, to which she replies that she is the poem of earth. It is a strange thing for the rain to reply to the poet, but it happens. The rain told the poet that she could not be touched, and as she rises in the form of water vapor in the sky from the land. From where, students? From the land. From where, students? From the bottomless sea. It changed its shape, yet it remains the same. The vapor changed into clouds due to condensation. As you know, the water cycle, okay, just it changed due to condensation. It falls back on the surface of earth to provide water to the drought prone areas and to beautify and purify the earth. That means its birthplace. Okay? It provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. You know, seeds cannot be grown without the water, they require rain. So, we can say it provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. The rain does not care if anyone bother about her deeds or not. She completes her work and comes back home. The poet also compares the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer, travels across to fulfill the aim, and comes back with due love for the singer. That means to its originator, come back to its origin. In the same, the rain also return back on the earth. Dear students, I think you have understand the poem. The video will be helpful to you. Thank you.